Get to our Google slide presentation that you'll be working on. We have to go to our Google Beach Ball or Google Chrome. We need to find our Google Waffle Classroom. If you don't see your classroom, you need to log in. Good. We hit Burgess Buddies. Your stream will pop up, and the first assignment says, Brittany Burgess posted a new assignment, build a pumpkin. You're going to click on that, Santino. Can you sit in this blue row? Thank you. And what you will need to do, it will look like this. Do you see this purplish screen? That's part of our link. That's our slide. So we're going to go into Google Slides. And it says, build a jack-o'-lantern. Now this is very cool to do, but it's very sensitive. So anything you do today, we have to be careful. And I'm going to teach you a little trick of how to undo something if you don't like what you just did. So let's go to our directions. Drag and drop items from the following slide onto your pumpkin. When you're done, write about your jack-o'-lantern in a text box. That's a lot of steps. When you're all done, we won't worry about this part just yet, okay? So then we need to go down to finding your pumpkin. Now, do you see how my screen is really big and I can't see? So you find one of those purple pumpkin screens, you click on it, and we're going to have to find the magnifying glass with the plus and minus. So you're going to click to the side of it, and you have to press zoom out, and it zooms it out for you. Now I can see all the eyes, the mouth, the feet, the hats, and the arms. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on the image you want, and you have to drag it to put it on top.
That's cute.
Then you pick a mouth and you click it. Do you see how the box is coming up around it with very small squares? And then you keep adding.
That actually is cute. That's really cute.
You have to click. So sometimes you click it and it won't hit it. So if I go like this, it lit up. The light box that lights up around it means you've touched it correctly. Then you just drag it over. Too high. Just perfect. Then I'm going to add some arms.
Do we have to put a hat on it?
So you keep dragging it.
Yeah,
Oh, do you see how I could drag that?
Yeah.
I don't like that. So when you're at your keyboard, you're going to press a special button. I don't like what I just did. You are going to have to put Control Z. So you're going to have to hit the Control first, and then when you hit Z, I'm finding my Z.
So the control's right there too?
Yes. So when I find my Z, right there, Control Z.
That's an S.
Control Z. If I keep pressing Control and Z, it undoes it. It fixes my mistake. I no longer have that. So you just have to hit Control. It says CTRL and then C. And that's close together. And look, I can erase my whole pumpkin. Yep. When
Like it goes back in time.
When it's time to write, we've done this before. We made a text box. Do you remember our digital circle map?
Yeah.
And we had to create a text box. We had to find the box with the T. You put your text box and you can start typing. My pumpkin is a girl. Period. My pumpkin has sharp teeth. Period. And you can write a sentence about your pumpkin. So now I got to make sure my pumpkin has sharp teeth. When you want to go back, you just press your arrow.
I feel like I think I know what it looks like. Like it's looking at the sentence. I feel like I know. It's like
So sometimes I click it and it's not highlighting. So we got to be careful with that. And then you can add your eyes on your arms. This will take you some time to work on, but look, I have other ones too that you can try.
Whoa. Can we do all of them?
You can try. I don't know if we'll have enough time today, but we can always come back to this. Now the last step is the first step. I want you to remember it. You need to hit the magnifying glass and you need to press zoom out.
Last one.
The last one, it's at the very bottom. You zoom out until you can see all of your different eyes, mouth, feet, hats, and arms.
Do we have to put a hat on?
You do not need a hat.
It changed?
What do you mean?
The eyes.
The eyes do change.
And the
The mouth, some of the mouths, the feet, they kind of stay the same. The hats do change. Does that make sense?
But not the
Okay.
arms.
Do we want to give it a go?
Yeah.
Who's feeling like they're an expert and they're ready to go get started? Wow. All of you? Okay, I can't let you all go at once. If you have questions about something on this, I would like you to stay at the carpet. But if you are in gray row and you feel like you're ready to go get started, please go get started.
What about the yellow?
Orange row, if you have no questions for me just yet, please go get started. Thank you for saying sorry. Blue row, light blue, dark blue. And green row, do you feel like you're ready? No questions for Miss Burgess?
No.
Come tell me if you have a question. I'm here to help you. That's computer 3 right there. Notes chair.
She took like his chair.
I think there's another one, isn't there? 1, 2. Oh wait, all chairs are taken. You can stand there if you'd like. So click on the link.
I don't want to do this one. I don't need help. I want
Okay. Oh, you're signed in. Now you can press Google Classroom. The very first top one.
Let me zoom in.
Okay, so that means what do you need to do?
It's not working. I zoom in and it's not working.
Did you type your password in? At the first assignment, you got it. Wow, Andreas, you're an expert. Can you walk around and see if there's somebody else who needs help right now? Nancy, do you need your name tag? 310012. Hold on just a moment. I gotta help this and then come. If you've gotten to your pumpkin, please go help a friend. You can be that far away or close. Okay, so you need to help.
What happened to my arrow? My magnifying glass. I don't see my magnifying glass is not working. You just. That's too high. No. Press that. Done. Yeah, you have to ask me. How do you? It's not gonna let me. I can't wait for this.
Okay, so we'll go back to that view button.
Dang, my leg's cool. I'm doing something. I put my leg down. My arms. I want my arms. Mine's a birthday pumpkin. I have a birthday pumpkin. Hey, that's what I want to do. Now I need a birthday pumpkin.
This is your password. 310.
I don't know what to do. Look at mine. I definitely gotta do rubber arms. Bro, look at my pumpkin. Now look at my pumpkin. Bruh. Looks
gonna make it.
Look at my pumpkin. My pumpkin's gonna be here. Look at it. Because I used to have. What? No. I'm doing my what? Oh, I need to make it smaller. Oh, that's what I just did. See, none of the things.